Morning friends, welcome to Tasty Life Plantery. It's a very nice, soothing, rainy morning. So I thought let's give a quick review of this month. It is August and it's a Portulaca morning friends. I have beautiful Portulaca or porcelain which are so nice and amazing. That's why I have decided to do this vlog of overview today. So as you can see friends, these are light pink shaded. Oops, sorry for the horn and other stuffs because today lots of people are outside there, so it's very noisy, so avoid them. And let's see my this planter. I've made another separate video of this Portulaca planter, so let's check out that. And of course another little cute planter of my philodendron. This is philodendron lime, and I've planted so many different plants in this pot, and I'm going to make a separate video about that also. So these are the new addition. This pot I just put it here few days ago with this Rio or goat lily. Then another new addition of my inch plant or turtle vine. See, this looks very cute. I just put another plastic bottle, half of it, and just put or place this turtle vine, and it looks so cute. I hope it will bushy and looks more beautiful. Beside that, lots of Rio or goat lily this time. Then another goat lily, and the upper portion another goat lily. Lots of goat lily. And let's get another philodendron. Yeah, they are so shiny, nice, beautifully healthy grown this time. This philodendron is growing very fast. I am very excited. See, they are growing every day they are giving new leaves and all, so they looks very amazing, quite healthy. And of course my syngonium is always nice and beautiful. In every single video of mine you can find that I am praising my syngonium because they are giving me so much happiness and nice vibe. So yeah, this corner is as usual very greenish, nice, bushy, and they are adding new. And upper portion, yes, my blue vine butterfly pea who are started yellowish, I have to clean them. And this from this side another blue vine is really amazing. They also try to get bushy, and I gave a support as you can see with rope from this side so that they can come this side as well. And yes, let me show you my Shanda Maloti or marble of Peru or 4 o'clock. This time last time it was there and they are flowering every day, but with that I put new addition of yellow one. This is actually okay, I'll show you few minutes later. It's actually mixed color, pink and yellow mixed. Sometimes they only pink yellow, sometimes they just pink and yellow. And here is another balsamina. I just put it here just because it looks beautiful, multicolor. As you can see, they looks beautiful in together, where is pink and yellow, and in upper portion it is magenta. So let me show you. How can I show you the fully? Yes, in this way actually, fully when they bloom it looks beautiful in multicolor. And beside that, see my another syngoniums. They are also growing very healthy way. As usual, they are always give me so much happiness. And my all purslane and portulaca start to bloom this season. So yeah, I just discover my multicolor portulaca here and there because I just cut them and put them so many places. I have so many portulaca planter over there, here, and this planter as well. Beside that, they are not yet blooming. When they will bloom, it will look so nice. And beside that, my another portulaca planter and coin plant. Coin plants also doing well because I try to give them more attention. That means I put them in full sunlight, and sometimes when it's very rain, then I give them lots of rainwater. That's why. And yes, my cute little another triangle. Oops, I forgot. Green leaf. These are green leaf. Then beside that, my cute little philodendron. This is the little philodendron. And here is my multi-leaf planter. That is, here is 1, 2, 3 kind of beautiful leaves I planted in this pot. That's why it's multi-leaf, I'm calling it. And beside that, of course, lots of aloe vera. Aloe vera are not doing great. They are just surviving themselves. That's it. Then there is another new plantation. I will give you more update when they will grow very well. And pothos or money plant. This is actually plain money plants, which I forget the actual name. This is a kind of plain leaf money plant. It doesn't have any spot or anything else. Let me know in the comment section, friends, what his name is. I just forget it. So it's going to bushy and doing great because of the rain, of course. Then here is 2 multi plants I planted. Then lots of Rio green leaf again. I just shifted here them because they are getting wasted in lots of sun and rain. And yes, let me show you from closer. This is a very cute little planter of Rio or boat lily, which surviving and try to give 3 babies, and they are super cute. I just put it in this planter. Yes, let's keep here. Then zebrina are also rotten because of heavy rain, so I just shifted them here also. And these 2 little cutie still there. And let's go to the another side. Yes, this one, I am obsessed with this planter nowadays, friends. So I'm showing you again and again in so many times. Actually, in so many videos, people get disturbed on me. Here are my pothos who are doing great. Lots of pothos over there, they are also doing great. And my vinca, they are also doing great. They love rainwater and lots of sun as well. Here is the big, this planter I have also a vinca. They also look great. And let me show you from outside, friend. Yes, that's my vinca plant. And just beside that, my balsamine, pink balsamine, which is very big. And I got my little white vinca as well. Beside that, I have my Bacilla alba or puishak, which we called in Bengali. Then these plants I have planted here irisine because irisine are not doing great, so I try to survive this one from putting in direct sunlight and rain. And of course lots of Portulaca. Then again my new Balsamina plants, which is also surviving well. Then Portulaca or Purslane again, lots of Portulaca or Purslane, yes. And beside that my old Balsamine, which are just surviving but not doing that much great. Let me show you, friends. Yes, because of heavy rain they are not flowering too much, they just surviving, try to surviving well. But I have lots of baby plants, as you can see, yes. And another vinca, beautiful reddish pink vinca. Beside that my violet vinca, yes, this is violet one. There is, yes, and here, okay, and yes, Alkanda or Alkananda, they are flowering, just blooming and blooming with huge portion, lots of flower over there. Here so many of flowers blooming, yes, so many of them, lots of flower. So here is my August update, friends. In August I have this condition in my plants and my balcony garden. So this is the new addition, the last one. Yes, I have planted Zebrina here. Okay, friends, I think it become very big and longest. So bye for today. Take care. Happy planting. Goodbye.